Welcome everyone to Rigaku Analytical Devices. My name is John, I'm a service engineer here, and today we're going to go through your kit for your KT-100 system. It comes in a custom durable Pelican case, so we're going to take a look and see what's inside. So your kit is going to include your KT-100S analyzer, shown here, and in your holster. Your docking station, which also comes with an AC power adapter. 2 lithium rechargeable batteries. A toolkit, which will include your stylus pen, small screwdriver, and microfiber towel. We have a nice bag of swabs for your windows. Your sample system check, which will include 7075 and 316. We have your USB cable for connecting your instrument to your PC for downloading your reports. Your USB flash drive, which will include your user guide, your quick start guide, laser safety data, and general information. Up top here, we have a couple extra sheets. You have your safety data sheets for your laser safety, and you have a quick start guide. And today we're going to be going over startup on your KT-100 system. First things first, we're going to go with your rechargeable lithium ion battery. And you open your foot stand, place your battery in here, close the door behind it, and you're going to hit the center button to power on the instrument. Now this will take a minute to start up for you. Once you have your instrument started up, you have your main login screen. You can see up in the top corner here, it has your battery life indicator up in the top. You'll also see a red triangle at startup to let you know that the laser is warming up, and once that disappears, your instrument's ready to start. To log in, you can use the touchscreen and you type in 144 and your checkbox to log in. From here, you can set your date and time in your settings menu, as well as do your system checks, which we're going to do right now. Gives you your laser safety warning before you fire. You place your check sample on top, and you want to make sure that the sample is covering the laser window, and you'll pull the trigger. And when your instrument is working properly, you'll get a pass with the CC value of your sample. And today we're going to be doing some real sample testing with your KT-100S system. When you're in your analyze screen, you're going to want to make sure you're in light drill down and placing the nose flush with your sample, and in 3 seconds you should have your results. Once you're finished, your results will show up on your screen here with your match quality, your elements, and your percentages. And for our harsh elements, you're going to want to use a Dremel to do surface prep on any samples you do. Today we're going to be going over the 3 steps to a successful sample analysis. First thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have a clean window. It's very important. You're going to take one of your swabs that's provided to you with your kit, and you're going to clean under this front plate on the nose. Once that's been cleaned, you're going to also want to make sure that your sample has been properly prepped, either with a Dremel or a scouring pad. And the third step is going to be focal distance. You're going to want to make sure that the sample is flush against the nose before you take a scan. And once all those have been done, you should have good results displayed on your screen here. We're going to be taking a quick look at your settings menu on your KT-100S system. To do that, we're going to use the keypad up in the top corner here. You're going to scroll down to your settings, and this will give you your result settings that you can customize, your instrument setup for your date and time, your languages, your communication for your USB and your Wi-Fi setup, as well as your instrument status, which will have your customer service phone number, your serial number, and your laser diode temperature. And today we're going to be taking your KT-100S system and taking some sample photos to add to your report generation. first thing you want to do is hit the camera key on your touchpad and then take your sample, and you'll be able to take a picture from here, which will save the image. And from there, you can take a scan. And once the sample is complete, you'll connect it to your PC through your USB door. And from there, you'll be able to ID your sample ID, name your sample, attach with the photo, as well as your alloy matches and your composition. And today, we're going to be taking your KT-100S system and connecting it to your PC to do your report generation, as well as checking your results through a web page. First thing you want to do is open your USB door here and connect your USB provided cable to this instrument right here. Now, the first time you do this, you're going to want to be an admin on your PC to make sure that the device drivers install properly. If not, there is a flash drive included in your case that will have the drivers and a how-to on how to install them on other PCs as well. Once you're connected, you will type in the IP address provided on the USB communications section in your settings menu. And from there, you will be able to type that into your web browser of your choice, and that will pop up your Rigaku home screen that you will log into, and you'll be able to move on from there. If you do not have a USB provided, there's also a Wi-Fi function included in the communications system. You'll have to enable that and then also use that IP address on your PC as well. Thank you for choosing Rigaku.